In this example, I have 1 over tan theta plus tan theta equals to 1 over sine theta times cosine theta. So here I will have 1 over sine theta over cosine theta plus sine theta over cosine theta equals to, this one goes on top, so it will be cosine theta divided by cosine theta sine theta divided by cosine theta. Then I will have the common denominator. So these two will be cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta, because I use the common denominator. So I multiply this one by cosine and multiply this one by sine. So it will be cosine squared plus sine squared. It will be equal to 1. And then I have 1 over sine theta times cosine theta. So as you see here, is exactly the same as what we have on the right hand side of this equation.